I unfortunately have some problems with premature ejaculation. I know, it happens, but I handle it better than most guys because I only have sex with women that have attention deficit disorder. That way they'll look at me and go, "You fucking loser, did you just come? Oh my god, is that a butterfly? No, a butterfly! Put your clothes on, let's go!" I thought I'd try to cheat the system, you know, by like, I can't afford Viagra, you know, I don't have a lot of money, so I thought I'd drink like a cap full of Miracle Bro. You know, it didn't make my dick any bigger, but the girl I was with was like, "Dude, your bush is like out of control."
Recently been trying to encourage me to wear like push-up bras and cleavage and shit. They're like, if you want to attract a man, you gotta show some cleavage, man. Which works. I agree. It's boobs are beautiful. I just feel like it's really deceptive for me. Like, I mean, like, what's the point of me like pushing my boobs like all the way up to my chin just to get some guy to come home with me and then be like, "Hey, take off my bra." Psych! Joke's on you, buddy! No titty fucking tonight.
Put your hands together for the very funny, the one and only JJ Roll!
Yeah! Everybody, pretty ladies, what's up? That's what I'm talking shit. It's awesome right here, this motherfucking show. I feel like I'm on motherfucking MTV or something. White girl there, whatever shit. It's awesome. Amazing. People got on the shirts with the designs and shit. This is amazing. Sherman Oaks. Sherman Oaks. It's nothing like Compton. That's for damn sure.
Alright, our next category, coming to the stage, you've seen it on HBO's Fantasy Show. If that's a separate time for you, let him go. Put your hands together for the one and only Chris Smith.
Alright. Don't stop more, everybody. Get over yourself. Sorry if I sound like I'm a little bit under the weather. I'm pretty sure I came down with some food poisoning last night. I'm eating some bad strepper assholes.
I don't look Mexican, but when my friend saw a picture of me when I weighed 170 pounds, she was like, "Wow, you look really athletic." I was like, "That is so mean. What are you trying to say, that Mexicans are fat?" And she's like, "No, it's because you're wearing spandex on the beach." And I'm like, "Oh." Okay, I get that. It was really difficult though being Hispanic and not looking like one in my community because I got picked on a lot. Like this Cholita by the name of Desiree threatened to shoot me in the face when I was in 6th grade. And I'm standing there at the blacktop at recess and she's touching my forehead like this and she's like, "Guess what, puta? Tomorrow I'm gonna bring my daddy's gun and I'm gonna shoot you in the face. And your brains are gonna get splattered all over the cement. What you think about that, puta? What you think about that?" And I was like, "Well, Desiree, I just know for a fact that you don't even know your daddy, so what you think about that, puta?"
You know what? Y'all are sitting back there, this is a wireless microphone, so fuck this. So if you guys like the comics with UFC tonight, hey, go ahead. They're some fucked up people, aren't they? No, these comedians, they are fucked in the head. This is why they do comedy. This is what they have to do for a job. Man, could you imagine these guys doing something else for a living? I mean, seriously, could you imagine me like as a gynecologist? Would you want to have your foot up in his turf with this staring at you back between your knees? I'm serious, think about that. He went, "Pause! Pause! Pause!" Oh shit, I dropped him. He's a little dusty, you know? And think about it. You people are normal. You all have a voice inside your head that when you think something it says, "Don't say that out loud." Comedians have that exact same voice, but it's on a cigarette break with 3 gay bender in rehab. Oh, does he Does he know like jujitsu or anything like that? Everybody fucking knows jujitsu these days, man. It's like, nah. I'm a Jew, I don't even know jujitsu, okay? You think it's in my blood, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, we're gonna keep moving along with our next comedian. Actually, in fact, he is the producer of this show, so definitely show a lot of love for him. Let him hear it. Give him a warm round of applause and just coming behind the stage.
Give it up for Jason. Thank you, Jason. You're doing a great job. You fucking rock, Jason. But as a Jew, I'll have to say that I noticed that there's no Jewish mafia. What the fuck? Why is there no Jewish mafia? See, I'm from New York. And when you think about New York, you think about
Russian mafia, Italian mafia, Irish mafia. And I wouldn't fuck with any one of them, don't get me wrong. But you know who I really wouldn't fuck with? Is an Asian mafia, okay? Because you don't want to owe money to a mafia that's good with math. No way, no way. Even the low-level henchmen will be up there with their semi-automatics, doing a drop, picking up some money, just holding the money and saying, "You $4 short, you pay me now." Yeah, no. In the same level, I wouldn't want to fuck with the Jewish mafia for the same reason. But there is no Jewish mafia, because out here they're known as accountants and lawyers. I say thank you very much, guys, for coming to our very first night here. We got over a little technical difficulty. But we're going to be doing this every Wednesday night. We're going to be doing this every Wednesday night. We got our drink sponsor, Newcastle, $2 Yeah! Can't beat that shit. Get crunk, bitches. I call this my economy-proof show because no one wants to pay for shit, right? So why not do a free show with cheap fucking beer, free parking, enjoy it. And fucking enjoy it. Economy. I made a couple of song versions for the economy. Drink cheap beer, stay home at night, can't buy you dinner. It's a bad economy, bitch. I think I should get off the stage now after that one. Finish that shit. Stay up there. Oh, but by the way, for future reference, with my set, with any set, if you guys don't find this funny, anyone is more than welcome to pull out a bowl or a joint, pass that shit around. I promise you we'll all be funny. I promise you. I've got my green card, because I love LA.
I'm gonna get off on this, man, because I know that this has been a long show. You guys heard some bad comments, you've heard some good ones. You've heard some worse comments, and you've heard some shitty comments. I'll give my man Lawrence credit, he did damn good. He said he'd been on stage 5 times. He was better than half the motherfuckers got up tonight. That was pretty good. Give him a round of applause, y'all. He did a good job tonight. The boys all heard some truth out. Act like a motherfucker running from the police, but he did his job, man. I was shocked. Jason did a great job. He sweat like a nigga running from jail and shit. He did a great job, too.
We got your headliner coming up for you right now. You guys are going to be closing out the show, playing all over town. If you're getting out to the comedy clubs, he's at the Ice House, he's at the Comedy Store, he's at the Laugh Factory, the Improv. Put your hands together for the very funny, the serial killer of comedy, Mike Miratori!
You can't run away from me, they get winded. I'll fucking that shit. I'm gonna fuck around. I'm gonna look to be your dad. No, you guys are hot. I'm not hating. You guys are smart. You're gonna have to work for that effect shit. They can't fucking run. It's perfect. Fat chick says to me last night, she goes, no condom. I go, fuck you. Between my face and your body, we'll have to kill that kid at birth. I look like Adolf Hitler fucked a monkey. I know who the fuck I am.